Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, Matt with Green Bar Trading. So as you can see, I am on my laptop at my business. So up here, you can't see from this angle. I have a big screen TV where I have CNBC on. I have all the information, flowing in as it's only 5:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's pitch blackout. I have my coffee. It's about my third cup so far. So what I do in the morning, and I'm just going to run you guys through all this. I don't know, if I'll be able to make a video later. That's why I'm doing it now. And I just took a futures trade with the E-mini after noticing, a couple of technicals, and I'm going to go over all that with you. But I first want to show you guys what I do on my Discord every morning. So this is our Discord chat. I have a daily charts levels where we post all the key areas for the S&P 500 futures, the Qs and the SPY, as well as my daily preview, what we see, important things like today, the Fed releases its minutes from last month's meetings. So be aware later in the day if you're trading, earnings that are coming out before and after the open. Thanks to Earnings Whispers. They do a really good job with these posts. And what Bitcoin is trading at, what the 10-year treasury is at, all really important things. For people that trade momentum stocks, we have VRPX at the top of the gap scanner. This one is looking really good. This is the float. It's only 5 million share float. Excellent. It's got a catalyst. This has all the makings of a very nice momentum stock for the day. So, we post all of this, like I showed you the daily charts, and then we have our daily, our general discussion. So, all day long, we have traders just like you and I that are sharing information. It's a great, platform. It's a really good group. I do highly recommend you guys joining it. It's free. So here we go. This is my trade breakdown of the E-mini last night, right as our market closed for after hours. So 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the market closes for after hours, and it turns into the hands of everybody that are trading the futures. So while the futures follows the market, while the market is open, when the market is closed, now it's being traded by everybody that are trading futures. And just give me 1 second. I'm going to turn the volume down to the TV. Okay, so I noticed in the previous day, and I do this a lot actually, I trade patterns, especially on a red day. So Monday was a red day. At 8 p.m., the futures sold off a little bit more, showing more weakness. I wanted to just get a little piece of that. I'm not holding holding this forever. This is a product that I like to scalp. Each point gives you a $50 gain or a $50 loss. So there's big potential in something like this, but you have to manage your risk really, really closely. So noticing that it did the same thing the day before, I got in right before after hours closed, saw the weakness. This purple line was a key level of support in the previous trading day. So once I saw that break, that was my cue to get short. I got short and took the quick $100 profit because I grabbed 2 points worth of that move. Now coming into this morning, all I do is I draw these trend lines out, and I noticed, well, I didn't notice, but price action and the candlesticks showed me a level of support with this trend line and a level of resistance with this trend line. So when you have a wedge pattern forming, odds are I am not the only one that is marking their charts up like this. I would say most futures traders, most Forex traders trade a lot of technicals. Now they do the same with, equities as well, but this is really a technical trade. The futures are really technical when you're not, during the regular hour, even when you are. But anyway, right when we broke this trend line, I got short immediately. This break, I was short into as it pulled back to the 443875. I just wanted to wait for a little pullback to the trend that it broke. And then I took my profit into this nice red bar right here. And you can tell that this trend line was important because even after I took the trade, price came back to it for, this is what's called a retest. It retested it and then sold off even further, telling me that this trend line is, pretty key at the moment. These trend lines are just used for quick intraday scalping. These are not trend lines that are going to hold up over the long period, like the whole day. It's not going to happen. But, trading minute bars, you can get away with some of these quick technical analysis, trades. So anyway, that was it. So from last night, after the market closed, to this morning, I'm up $125 on the E-mini. And, that's it. Just coming in, taking what I see. Today is going to probably be another choppy day. Anytime the Fed is on tap to be doing anything, the market gets a little choppy. So, and look at that move. So we left money on the table. This is what scalping is all about. You're always going to be leaving money on the table with scalping. But just like leaving money on the table, you lock in profit because I've seen a lot of times it goes the other way as well. So this was a very good technical, trend line here. Excellent execution on the trade, and, happy with my $125 profit. It's not even, 6 a.m. So from last night, 2 trades, 125 for some brain work. Not a bad gig at all. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recap from the laptop, and thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up, and I will see you back with the next one. Take care, everyone.